Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Hazim Rizal and I will be presenting first for the group 5 where we will be implementing the system called UBid auction. So what is UBid auction? UBid auction is a system that offers a platform that focuses on UTEM students to participate in an auction easily and swiftly. Students can perform the act of buying, selling and bidding on an item of unknown worth through online participation. Our group consists of four members, which is I, myself, Ahmad Hazim bin Ahmad Rizal, followed by Irshad Nazree bin Basha Azreen, Choo Pong, and Hamizah Binti Yusni. So why are we proposing this? The problem with nowadays is that students cannot conduct an auction due to the trouble of getting a stage and public address system. Moreover, students as sellers want to sell items but does not know how much the item is worth and does not have a platform to have it up for auction. Lastly, auction platforms are not very trusted nowadays. So what are our goals? We aim to develop a website that can display and manage all the information needed by an auction. We hope to design a user-friendly website with a good system usability score, high adoption rate, and retention rate. And ultimately we hope to provide a platform for sellers and customers to participate in an auction. The methodology that we will be using in this project is the agile methodology, which consists of 7 phases: the planning phase, design, develop, test, deploy, review, and launch phase. We will be implementing 6 modules, which is the account module, item module, auction module, payment module, feedback module, and report module. And now, without further ado, let's get to the demonstration of our system where my group mates will be demonstrating the system in the next part of the video.
Hello, I'm Choo Pong. Now I want to talk about the seller part. Let me log in into the seller account first. So in our system, the seller can add the item into the auction, and the seller can manage those items. So let me try to add an item. Let's say I want to sell my old second-hand calculator here. Like this auction, add the item. So before the item can be added into the auction, the item need to be verified by the admin. So we need to wait for the admin to approve first. So before the admin approve it, the seller can edit and delete the item. So let me try to edit item. So let's say I want to change the price start at 30 ringgit and change the image. So change it, save. So image change and the subprice also change. So let's say I want to delete the item now. So click delete. The system will ask for the confirmation of the user. So click OK. The item was deleted from the system. So after the seller's item was winning by the customer and customer clear the payment, the record can be viewed under the item zone here. So we click view detail here. The item of the seller can be shown here, and it was win by the customer with what price, and also the item review here from the user. So that's all from me. Thank you.
I will present the admin portion of the system. So here is the login page for the user. So if we enter the incorrect credential, it will tell us incorrect email or password. So now we will go ahead and log in with the so now in admin dashboard, so there is auction list, item verification, seller verification, and item category. So if we go to auction list, it will show all the list of auction that is ongoing and has ended. So for the system to be confirmed, there at least need to be one item. So we can go ahead and confirm the auction. So now the auction has been confirmed. So we can view details for the auction. You can view the auction information and the item details in the auction. So we also can add new auction. So here we can add the new auction. So we can enter the auction name, auction description, and select the auction start time. Here we can only select 2 weeks ahead. So we select the date and the time for the auction, and we add the auction. So the new auction will be added. So here we cannot confirm the auction because there is no item added to the current auction. So we can go ahead and edit if you want. So we can edit the name, edit this description, but we cannot edit this start time. So we can go ahead and edit the description. So we can go ahead and save. It will tell us auction updated successfully. So it will update the auction description. So next, we can also delete the auction. So if we click here, it will ask us to, are you sure you want to delete? So we can go ahead and click OK. So delete auction successful. So and the auction has been deleted. So we can go back to the dashboard, and now we will go with item verification. So here, the admin will verify the item that has been added by the seller. So if we view detail, so here it will show the name of the item, the description, and the auction date. The admin can reject or accept the item. We will go ahead and accept the item. Next, we go to seller verification. So here, the user that has applied to be a seller will show here. So the admin can go view detail and view the seller information. The admin can accept or reject the seller. So we go ahead and accept. So next is the item category. So here, admin can edit or add the new category. So we can go ahead and add new category, and the new category has been added. So we can also edit it. So we can edit the category, and the category has been added. So that's all for user admin.
Assalamualaikum and good day. I am Hamizah Binti Yusni and I will do the demo about the customer. So first of all, we need to register. If we are a new user, we need to fill up the account registration and then click create account. Next, we can log in using the email address and password we fill up before. After that, we can see the home page. It has auction lists and list of items. Customer can choose to view list of items by category. Let's say customer choose fashion, and then the system will show item in fashion category. Go to homepage again, and customer can click on this view more button. Customer can see the start date and time and quantity of items in the auction. When customer click this view button, customer can see details of each items in the auction. Customer can choose any item to view its details. For example, this one, customer can read the item's details and view the seller of the item. Customer can read the seller information and also the review from customer about the sold item before. If customer click on the view auction, it will go to the auction belong to the item. When bidding session already start, customer can join the bidding. System will show the current item bidding. Customer need to click the join button. Click on the place bid button to start bidding. Other customer also can place the bid and they will see the status whether they are currently winning or not, and also their bidding history. Each time they place their bid, the time left will add 15 seconds more. When the bidding session ends and you win the bidding, it will show that you are winning the item and check your shopping cart. If there is no more item in the auction, it will show that the auction has ended. Check your shopping cart and there is the item you win just now. If you wish to continue bidding, you can click here and it will go to homepage back. If you want to check out, click here. There is details of your purchase. Choose your payment method. When customer choose PayPal and proceed, PayPal browser will prompt out, and if you already register, you can straight away pay. Click on the button. and it will show you successfully do the payment, and you can also see the details of your purchase for 5 seconds. After that, customer will be brought to their dashboard. They can click on the purchase record to see their purchase just now. Customer can click on the view details to see the item details. Click back, and customer also can add review. They can share their feedback. The review will go to the seller of that item. After customer add their review, they can also edit their review if they want to. Last but not least, add the customer's profile. They can view their personal information and also edit them. They can also apply to become seller by clicking this button. The system will ask whether you're sure to become a seller. If you click OK, the button will gone and there is seller application status. Admin will be the one that accept the customer's application to become seller. That's all from me for the demonstration for customer. Thank you.